Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a YouTube friend. So today we are going to marble a hat. So what we have, this is Easy Marble. And I'm gonna be doing, the person that wants this hat wants it in greens and like an aqua. So this is a light green, and then so we've got light green, and we've got a rich green, and then this one, sorry the words are so small, is a turquoise. And this is the Easy Marble. Make sure I get this in the thing for you. I have it kind of up close because I want you to be able to see the water really well. So these are it, the Easy Marble. These are the three colors that I'm going to be using. Now with these, you really do have to shake them up really, really good. And then I've got just a bucket of regular water here. Shake up all my stuff really good. Now I've got a hat. So I bought these hats. I got them from Amazon as like a box of them. So these hats you also can sublimate on them. So it's like a polyester material. I've never used them to do a marble, so we'll see how they work. And then I've also got a stir stick. You can use a dowel rod, a piece of cardboard, whatever. I just happen to have a paint stir stick. So I am just gonna start putting some paint in my water. And you see how it kind of sits on top? Now you can do this with spray paint also. It's just that the Easy Marble has stuff in it that makes it float a lot easier. And like the paint is, spray paint is fine on like tumblers and stuff like that. But on cloth, this is just a little softer of a paint. Maybe my stir stick isn't the best because look, it took up all my paint. And that's usually how I get the paint out of my water, so I should have realized that. So maybe not a stir stick, use a dowel rod. Or nothing. All right, so here goes nothing. I have gloves on because I don't want to go to work with painted hands. So we're gonna go in and back up. And here we go, super cute. I might do my side here a little, like this side and this side I didn't get as well, so I think I might put just a little bit in. But isn't that so pretty? And I think I'm only gonna put the blue in for these sides like this, and then I'm gonna get this side here. I think I need a little bit more for this side. There we go. Look how beautiful this looks. so freaking pretty. I'll let it dry and then I'll show it to you when it's dry. But isn't that gorgeous? All right, friends. I'll come back when the hat's dry and let you see it, okay? Bye. All right, and here is our finished product. Look how good this turned out. This is so nice. And the other thing I want you to see, you know, it's still like soft. It's not like crunchy or anything like that. And this just turned out super, super cute. All right, well listen, I hope you like it. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, friends, and I'll see you later.